Good evening all. This is another edition of food related items in Igbo. Okay, we have few things here and we want to know what the Igbos call them. We'll start from honey. Honey is mmanụ aṅụ. I use honey to drink tea. Ana m eji mmanụ aṅụ aṅụ tea. Oil, mmanụ. Put oil in that pot. Tinye mmanụ n'ite ahụ. Onion, yabasị. Give me 20 naira onion. Nye m yabasị naira 20. Salt, nnu. Too much salt is not good for our health. Oke nnu adịghị mma maka ahụike anyị. Sugar, ọtọ bịrịbịrị ma ọ bụ nnu bekee. Put sugar in Chinaza's tea. Tinye nnu bekee na tea Chinaza. Okay, let's look at drink. Drink is mmanya ma ọ bụ ihe ọṅụṅụ. You know, drink can be either soft drink, wine, or water. So under drink, we have water. And water is mmiri. Drink water always. Na-aṅụ mmiri mgbe niile. Wine, mmanya ọkụ. Much wine is not good for your health. Oke mmanya adịghị mma maka ahụike gị. Palm wine, nkwụ. This palm wine is good. Mmanya nkwụ a dị mma. Alright, let's look at meals. You know, under meals, that is what we call the food we eat in the morning food, afternoon food, and night food. Let's look at how the Igbos describe them or what they call them. Meals in Igbo is erimeri. Then under meals, we have breakfast. And breakfast is nri ụtụtụ. We will eat rice for breakfast. Anyị ga-eri osikapa n'ụtụtụ. Lunch, nri ehihie. The children ate beans for lunch. Ụmụntakịrị riri agwa n'ehihie. Dinner, nri abalị. What are we having for dinner? Kedu ihe anyị ga-eri n'abalị? Alright, we'll stop here today. Please do well to practice. Always practice because practice makes perfect. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever a new video is posted. We will meet in our next class by God's grace. Que mesian.